Simple present versus present progressive. Simple present tense definition. The simple present tense is used to talk about things that are habitual, general truths, or action that happen regularly or repeatedly. It is one of the most common tenses in English and is often used to describe action that are fixed routines or permanent states. When to use the simple present tense? For the first, habitual action or routines. We use the simple present tense to talk about actions that we do regularly, like daily routines or habits. For the example, I go to the gym every morning, and she eats lunch at noon every day. And the second, general truths or facts. Simple present is used to state things that are always true or universally known facts. For the example, the earth orbits the sun, and water boils at 100 Celsius. And the third, schedule events, especially for public transportation or events. It's also used for schedule events that are planned to happen in the near future, especially when referring to timetables and routines. For the example, the train leaves at 6 p.m. and the meeting starts at 9 a.m. tomorrow. And the fourth, state or a permanent situation. Simple present can describe a state that is permanent or unchanging. For the example, he lives in New York and she speaks 3 languages. And simple present tense, there is a 3 structure. For the first, positive sentence or affirmative. For the second, negative sentence. And for the third, interrogative sentence or question. Explanation. For the positive sentence or affirmative, for most subjects, use the base form of the verb without any endings. Formula, subject plus verb. The example, they play soccer on weekends. Not for he, she, and it, we add an s or es to the verb. For the example, she reads books in the evening and he runs every morning. Negative sentence. To make a negative sentence, we add don't or doesn't before the verb. Remember, for he, she, or it, we use doesn't. Formula, subject plus do or does plus not plus verb. For the example, I do not like coffee and she does not work on Sundays. And for interrogative sentence or question, to form a question in the simple present tense, we use do or does at the beginning of the sentence. For he, she, or it, use does. Formula, do or does plus subject plus verb. For the example, do you like pizza? And does he study every day? Important rules. Spelling changes for verbs ending in certain letters. If a verb ends in x, z, ch, sh, or o, add es for he, she, or it. The example, she watches TV and he goes to work by car. Third person singular. For he, she, or it, we add s or es to most verbs in the simple present tense. For the example, she works hard and he drives to school. And this example of simple present tense. Affirmative sentence. The example, I eat breakfast every morning. She studies English at school. They play football on Sundays. Negative sentence. I do not like tea. He does not watch TV. We do not go to the park every day. Questions. Do you like chocolate? Does she work at a bank? Do they study English at university? And it's time for the exercise. Number 1. I like to play basketball. Number 2. She not or work on Saturdays. Number 3. We live in a small town. Exercise 2. He drinks coffee every morning. They watch movies on Friday nights. She goes to the park after school. Can anyone answer? Exercise 3. My mother cooks dinner every evening. We enjoys going to the beach in the summer. They read or reads books before bed. Exercise 4. He or like or coffee. Number 2. You or play or tennis or on Sundays. Number 3. They or live or in New York. Exercise 5. Correct the mistake in the sentence. Number 1. She doesn't like pizza. Number 2. They play soccer every weekend. Number 3. We go to the school by bus. And now we go to present progressive. What is present progressive? The present progressive tense is used to describe action that are happening right now, action that are temporary, or action that are planned for the future. This tense focuses on action in progress or event that are ongoing at the moment of speaking or over a period of time. It is called progressive because it shows an action that is in progress, not complete. It's also known as the continuous tense because it indicates an activity that continues over a period of time. Form of the present progressive tense. Structure of the present progressive tense is subject plus am or is or are plus verb in. Subject. This refers to the subject of the sentence I, you, we, they, he, she, it. Am or is or are. This is the auxiliary verb to be, which changes based on the subject. Am is used with I, is used with he, she, it, singular subject. Are is used with you, we, they, plural subject. And for verb ing, the base verb of the sentence is followed by ing to indicate that the action is ongoing. For the example, I am reading a book, she is playing soccer, and they are working hard. Structure in question and negative sentence. Structure in question. To form a question in the present progressive, the auxiliary verb am, is, are comes before the subject. The example, am I reading a book? Is she working today? Are they playing football? And structure in negative sentence. To make the present progressive negative, we add not after the auxiliary verb am, is, or are. For the example, I'm not reading a book, she is not playing soccer, they are not working today. Spelling rules for verb ing forms when adding ing to a verb. Certain spelling rules must be followed. First, for verbs ending in e, drop the e before adding ing. The example, make, making, write, writing. Number 2, for one syllable verbs with a consonant, vowel, consonant pattern, double the final consonant before adding ing. The example, run, running, sit, sitting, hop, hopping. Number 3, for verbs ending in y, simple add ing without changing the y. Example, play, playing, enjoy, enjoying, stay, staying. And the last, summary of simple present. The simple present tense is used for regular action, general truths, and schedule event in the future. It follows a simple structure with do or does for negative and question forms. It is not used for action happening at the moment of speaking. For that, you will use the present progressive. And summary present progressive. The present progressive tense describe action happening right now, temporary action, ongoing action, or future plans. The structure is subject plus am or is or are plus verb ing. It's used to describe current actions, temporary situations, changes, and future arrangements. Am or is or are the key auxiliary verbs, and verbs change by adding ing for the present participle form. It's not used with stative verbs or for habitual action.